Guys, na-try nyo na ba ito? The new flavor patata crispy cheese. I just eating a lot the normal ones like the potatoes, and I never tried this. They look like clovers. Bili natin to. Bili natin. Tomorrow, bili tayo marami. Good. Oh my gosh. Ano? Sige. Lang. Oh, kaso. Hindi tapos na ba? Salam. I trick my little son. It's so good. When you open this, look clover, the chips clover. What you taste it tastes patata crispy with some cheese, like crispy cheese. Sadly, I'm craving for patata. Sarap. I can open it. Sorry. Pen. We always use this at school and we just popular. Release the air first. Make a big hole now. That's when we can eat it. Bye bye. I'm gonna eat this other one.